Bonjour à tous, and welcome to the French Pros. Let's be honest, it's never easy to learn how to pronounce sounds from another language. French has many weird sounds, and today we're gonna see some of them. I don't like the way this video is going. Weird sound? Weird how? Let's start with OU, pronounced OU. You can find this sound in sou, nous, or vous. It's the same as in boot, foot, or soon. Then we have the sound. French write this one in different ways. I-N, A-I-N, E-I-N, or U-N. It's the sound you do when you don't understand something. Hein? It comes from the nose. You can find it in the word vin, pain, or ingénieur.
D'accord, faisons comme ça.
The sound looks like the name Cambridge with a strong British accent. Is written A-N, E-N, or more rarely, A-M or E-M. We find the sound in sang, lampe, or vent. The EU is pronounced E. You can also find that sound with those writing, but it's not common. EU is same as in the word bird or as in je, or ve. Now, today's last vowel is U, just the basic U. You can find in vu, prévu, or nul. The U sound is the same as in German, über alles. Be careful to not pronounce any y as in English. I am calling a Uber, but j'appelle un Uber. So we have ou, un, e, and u, not you. That was the basic vowel. Now, let's see some of the consonants. CH is easy. It makes the sound sh, as in ship or shy. You can find CH in chien, chat, or chantier, building site. S is a bit more tricky. S and C most of the time makes the sound s, as in snake. However, if you see two s's or that C with the tiny s under it, you don't have to think, it's always the s sound, like ceci, ça, or certain.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
We're not over yet. See, almost all English struggle with the letter R in French. R is pronounced R. It comes deep from the throat. R. It may look like the Russian name Mikhail. Be aware that English R sounds as an O in French and makes no sense. R is R as in rue or raté or trier. So it's not bonjour, but bonjour. It hurts. Bonjour. It hurts, but sounds better. Today's last sound is K, as in cake or keep. Nothing weird here except that French write the K sound with a K or QU. Words like quoi or quotidien, daily, is pronounced K at the beginning. We have some exception for old Latin word like quiz, quid, and some other. But if you see a word with QU for the first time, just use the K sound. Is that really bad if I don't pronounce well? You can still understand me, right? Of course French people will understand you, but your accent will be terrible if you don't try. The key is to be confident and to try your best. Now, if you want to go further, look at these words after pausing the video and try to read them. You can as well order my book, Read French from Day One. Now you understand the old sound in French. Don't forget, be confident and speak out.